that a correct statement, Mr. Johnson? You'd like this
Yes.
matter set for prelim?
Yes, Your Honor, and we're asking that the prelim be set out a ways. I believe the people will be calling a cooperating witness who is in federal custody because of the likelihood that this witness may become unavailable down the road. I will be asking for the people to present any and all information they have relevant to cross-examination under US v. Giglio. And I think the people may need some time to get that. And I don't know if the people are even in possession of the federal indictment in which this witness is cooperating under and giving this testimony, but I would like to have that before exam as well.
Your Honor, I have no problem with that. I have no problem with setting this matter out. As the court may remember, Mr. Franklin is being held on another homicide case that is pending before Judge Conlon with a trial date well into the fall. The reason.
So why am I setting it for exam if everything's not ready?
This cooperating witness is currently being held at FCI Milan. The moment we have an examination date, I can give a writ to them. They won't transport him. Otherwise, it sounds like he's going to eventually go to West Virginia, and I'd like to have that writ before the Bureau of Prisons transports him out of the state. So the date,
especially in West Virginia, because people don't come back. No, I'm kidding. I love West Virginia.
I don't know.
Okay.
And so that would be the reason I know. And as I spoke, Mr. Johnson and I spoke yesterday, and we were on the same page.
All right. So how to get accomplished everything? How much time are you guys looking at? I get why you want a date out. I'll set the exam, but
perhaps I don't know what the court's availability is. I'm looking into kind of August.
Mid-August. I can do August 12. I can give you a prelim date on August 12.
That works for the people. That works for Mr. Johnson.
Yeah, I don't. August 12th, I have another homicide exam in the Lansing District Court.
Gotcha. Well, that's my only set PE date in that date. Did you want me to kind of give you a Monday and that way more flexibility to do that?
August 11th, if the court is available that day, that would be perfect for me, Yana.
Monday would be fine, and just for the court scheduling purposes, I wouldn't expect this to be something that would take more than half a day. So
okay.
That'll be a full day examination.
That's okay. So what I'll do is I'll just put it on my docket. I should have asked, do I have the 11th available? And if we don't pick a jury selection in the morning, so I can set it in the afternoon. Oh, I did set a note here. Okay. Pardon? I can do Monday the 18th. Will that work for you, Mr. Johnson?
I'll be at a jury trial in the Washtenaw County Circuit Court on the 18th, Yana.
No way. No, I'm kidding.
The 25th works for me if that works for the court.
No, because I'm gone. Right. Well, August, I know it's going the other direction, but would August 4th work?
I think August, at least from the people's perspective of getting the information, Mr. Johnson, August 4th would work for us.
Mr. Johnson, August 4th work?
I will be in trial August 4th, Your Honor.
The whole day?
Yes, Your Honor.
Just, all right, give him a Tuesday. I don't know what Johnson's schedule is. I don't know why I'm setting around Johnson anyway.
My other thought is if we could set it on a Tuesday, perhaps that 12th, knowing that we would then get closer to the date and perhaps talk with the court about a skip to move it. As long as I have the date to hold this witness, I don't care if we move it. I can send.
Why don't I do this then? And then this way you can kind of figure it out and we can move it out to give you more flexibility in terms of dates, because then we'll be able to figure out my dates a little bit. I'm gonna set it on July 22nd. Okay. With the understanding that you guys may have to move it, but then we'll move it on my docket.
That's fine.
Okay.
Yes, Sean.
So preliminary examination in person will be set July 22nd, 2025. That's at 12 noon. So that's an afternoon prelim docket or PE docket for me. All right.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Your Honor.
All right.
Mr. Johnson, I'll contact you early next week and we can go over
Yes, sir.
everything, okay?
All right. Thank you, Mr. Johnson. Court calls the case of the People versus Dave Ellington.
That's three people. Assistant Public Defender Hannah Apple hearing on behalf of Mr. Ellington, who's pushing out. Your Honor, Mr. Ellington will be waiving his right to a preliminary exam. I'd ask if the people would please